The world is moving faster than ever, powered by data that connects people, ideas, and possibilities. Memory and storage are essential to enabling the technologies we rely on every day. Micron leads the way by transforming how the world uses information to enrich life for all. In India, Micron is proud to lead the Pioneer project approved under the India Semiconductor Mission in 2023. Under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, India is advancing high-technology manufacturing in true mission mode.
भारत ने अपने सेमीकंडक्टर मिशन के तहत अभी तक 10 सेमीकंडक्टर फैब्रिकेशन और पैकेजिंग प्रोजेक्ट को स्वीकृति दे दी है। इनमें से 4 यूनिट्स बहुत ही जल्द अपना प्रोडक्शन शुरू करने वाली है।
And today, that vision becomes reality. In Sanand, we mark a historic milestone with the opening of India's first semiconductor assembly and test facility. Micron's journey reflects this momentum from a record 6-month advance pricing agreement to becoming the first multinational semiconductor company approved under the India Semiconductor Mission, enabled by swift fiscal support, state grants, land allotment, and seamless MOOWR to SEZ transition. With over 500,000 square feet of cleanroom space in Phase 1, the Sanand facility not only strengthens Micron's global manufacturing network to help meet long-term demand for memory and storage, it also marks a significant step for India's semiconductor industry, executed at remarkable speed through deep center-state collaboration. Project Pioneer is more than a project. It marks Micron's foundational chapter in India's semiconductor era. It is also a demonstration of Micron's commitment to supporting national priorities in digital transformation, supply chain resilience, and high-value manufacturing. We're not just building chips, we're building opportunities. Micron is developing India's semiconductor talent through various partnerships. As we move forward, we do so responsibly. The facility will meet high environmental standards and support the community through STEM education, digital and AI literacy. Every milestone begins with safety, and everyone deserves to go home safe. The site has achieved 23 million man-hours of strong safety record, earning the British Safety Council's International Safety Award. Together, we are shaping a future of innovation, partnerships, and endless possibilities. Inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Project Pioneer marks a defining moment for India's semiconductor journey.